Welcome to the new episode. This is Bo. If you have followed me along this van build, thank you so much. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it for your time. And so today I am continue working on our ceiling panels and the sides. I'm done with the ceiling panels, pretty much just the framing for the AC unit and the garnish for the fan. Right now I'm working on the framing for the bunk window. So I'm doing something different this time. Let's see if it is easier this way, because usually I just measure and cut it. This time I go ahead and build an oversized frame, and just measure perfect for this, and then I'm using the this is a 3/4 inch. Don't worry, you're gonna trim it off, it's not that bulky. Okay, so I go ahead and insert it. Okay, so it's perfect to the size of the window. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure and cut these panels to fit exactly how it is, and after that I'm going to draw the line all around and then just remove this, cut along that line. That way it will flush with the wall. After that, it's gonna be the 2-inch framing on the side that covers that connection, and it's gonna look better that way. So I think this way works fine, because I don't have to deal with the angle, cutting the angle, because this is not straight. Okay, if you do it later, you're gonna have to cut this side or that side is an angle, because this side the depth is shallower than this side, and the top is more shallower than the bottom. So that's just how it is dealing with these windows, and I think this is better. So yep, measure, install these panels, and then draw the line, remove this, and cut it. Check out this progress, you guys. Looking good. Just a quick update here. We ran out of wood that we went to Home Depot last time, and while I was waiting for the good time to go to Home Depot, I was able to do the overhead storage up there, as you can see. And so last night we went to Home Depot, picked up the wood, and we should have the rest of the wood to complete all the walls and the ceiling today. So that's what I'm going to work on today. Last night I started the electrical planning, the electrical parts, but then we left to Home Depot, so just started a little bit. So that's the main focus today. Finish all the walls so we can apply the clear coat, and then finish up all the trimmings and stuff. And yeah, hopefully it's a good day. Let's go. On the edging like this, you can use a trim like this, something like this, or maybe a little bit larger. This is a 1.5 by 1/4 of an inch. Okay, this is sell by the foot at Home Depot. Something like this can make a lot of difference. You can see. Okay, so now I'm gonna put glue, and then just put 2-3 screws to hold it down. It'll make it look a lot better. So. Too long. Okay, so you running around. What I did is I pre-drill and then just make sure the screw head is nice and flat so that when you put things in here, it's not gonna hook onto it. Yeah, I countersink the wood. Now it looks nice. There we go. Beautiful. You know what I mean? This side is deeper than this side, and see, you cut this side thinner and thicker, and this deeper on this side. And let's try it on. It was easier to you know, just draw along the line and cut it through. Let's see, fits tight. Well, it's not super tight, but oh, look at this right there, flash. Now you can do the frame easily. Oh, okay, I like this method of creating the frame first and then the wall, draw the line, cut it to flash with the wall, and then do the trimming on the outside after that. Yeah, look at this. Oh, it's gonna be beautiful trimming. Okay, I just need to kind of sand off anything that sticks out a little bit so the trimming will be flashed, nice and flashed. Cool. Okay, again, if you guys want to do the same thing here, you can try. I'm using a 3/4 inch wood, and it was 5 inch deep. Okay, and then I cut the long ones, the long side 35 inches, and then 10.5. So the sides are 10.5 and by 35. So when you screw it to put it together, this one sits on the inside. Okay, so that means the inside you have 33.5. Okay, 33.5 by 10.5. So that's exactly the size of the window, 10.5 and 33.5 fits. And after that, you just draw the line and trim it to match that depth of the wall. Okay, now we're ready to go cut the trim. So I know my corners are 33.5 and by 10.5. So 33.5 corners at 90 degrees and 10.5 corner. Let's go. This side I'm doing the same thing. by creating the frame and then install it, not screw it in, just kind of tape it to stay in place, and I measure and cut all the walls around it. Now I can go ahead, draw the line, and then just go trim it down to make it flash. And while I was doing that, I got rained on. But take a look at the frame, the trimming that I did on this side. Take a look. So to make it, bring the color a little bit up, I'm using Redwood this time. Beautiful Redwood. This is 2.5 by 1/2 inch Redwood, sanded really nice, really smooth, and 90 degrees cut. And look at this. Okay, it's gonna be like this. I just need to glue it and staple it in place and apply the clear coat. It's gonna look so nice. The color of that redwood will shine, will come out, and yep, look at that. Okay, it's getting late, gotta go some places really quick, and since it's raining anyway, I'm done for today. We'll pick it up tomorrow. Things are looking good, you guys. I got this frame on this side done. The trim's already done. I already glued it together, and we're gonna go ahead and nail it later. I have that, the other window, and also the AC unit done, so we're gonna do that next. For now, I'm out of the wood again. Man, I cannot estimate this, because usually on the 144 wheelbase, yeah, I could estimate, but I haven't done the 170 for a while. So yep, need about 5 more planks of this wood. I'll go get it later. There we go. Frames ready. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Wow, nice. So this fan, we have 900 amps of lithium batteries, the 50 amp MPPT solar charge controller, the Victron, and also the link distributor for from Victron, and also the DC to DC charger Orion 30 amp DC Victron as well, and also the 3000 watt multiplus by Victron as well. And you know how long it takes, you know, it's time consuming for connection, for the power connection. So I don't want to hold up this video any longer. Let's go ahead and video right here, and I will see you the next episode. And I hope this gives you a lot of ideas, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. This is Bo. Bye bye.